Hey my little rays of sunshine, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, what's up? I'm Ray. Thank you so much for watching. So today I'm going to do a first impressions on this Miko's Cosmetics Charming Moist Eyeshadow Palette. It looks like this. And when I first saw this eyeshadow palette, I immediately thought, oh my god, that looks like a dupe for the Juvia'S Place palettes. And it looks like this on the inside. So I'm really excited to play with this. This was sent to me. I got it at a very discounted price, but I had no obligation to make any kind of review or anything like that. It wasn't even for YouTube. It was more for Facebook and Instagram. So I thought it would be fun just to try this out on camera for the first time, just because I've never used this company before. I've never heard of this company before. So if you'd like to see that, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And without further ado, let's jump into the video. I'm going to zoom you guys in. So I just got this palette in the mail and I opened it up and I was like, oh my god, this looks exactly like a Juvia'S Place palette. And I've never used Juvia'S Place palettes, but I have watched so many tutorials of Nikki tutorials using them, and they're so pigmented and so beautiful, and I totally still have to check them out, but I like haven't gotten a chance to. But when I opened this up, I was like, oh my god, this looks just like one. I'm excited to see how pigmented this is, so I wanted to just try it out on camera for you guys. So let's see how it works. I just want to prime my eyes with Tarte Shape Tape today. So I think I'm just going to use like some of these berry tones down here. And I think to start off with, I'm going to go in with this one. It's just like a matte, almost like a pinky purple color. I'm just going to take that into my crease. Oh, whoa. Wow. I didn't expect like it to be this pigmented. So I'm actually kind of shocked at that pigment. Just so you guys know, this is a very affordable palette, so if you do want to check it out, it is $14.99 on Amazon, and I'll leave a link down below. It is not an affiliate link. I don't get any money from making this video. Not sponsored whatsoever. Wish it was, but it's not. The color is so beautiful. I'm just going in with a clean brush just to make sure that's super blended. I'm gonna drag that same color on my lower lash line. And kind of connect it. Now I think I'm going to go into this color right here. It looks like almost, oh, it's like a hot pinky satin. But there's like, it looks like there would be shimmer in it, but it doesn't swatch with shimmer in it, so. Patchy. I'm not sure if I like that one. I'm gonna try a different brush. Something a little bit stiffer. Yeah, I don't like that color at all. I'm gonna go in with this one. I'm not a huge fan of that color. I don't think it performs very well. It's definitely a little patchy. Wow, that's like a true, almost red. Which doesn't look bad. I know reds are really hard to formulate, so it's pretty pigmented for a red. So I don't really know where I'm going with this look at all. I'm just going back in with that, whatever was left on that first brush. But I am going out tonight, so I'm hoping these perform well, because if they don't, I'm gonna look crazy when I leave the house. I'm gonna go back in with that first color and kind of just deepen it up, make sure it's all blended up here. And then I know this isn't gonna look it's gonna look kind of crazy. I may just take this off before I leave. I'm gonna just go in with this blue because I have been loving blue shadow recently. I'm not gonna use this color in this brush because it's like angles. I've been loving blue recently, so I just want to see how that one performs. Okay. It's pretty good for being like a completely dry shadow. I feel like I look like cotton candy. I'm gonna deepen it up with this color right here. It's like a brown burgundy. Oh, that's pretty. So there's definitely a little bit of fallout. I feel like I kind of look like cotton candy right now. With this blue and pink purpley kind of look. It's bothering me that I can still see that patchy shadow underneath. It certainly works, and it's certainly pigmented. The blending, you know, it's not my favorite shadow to blend in the world. I mean, it's obviously not an Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palette, because I love those eyeshadows. But it's certainly not bad for the price. Just take this silver and put it on my inner corner. Oh, okay. Alright. You know what I will say? That for 15 bucks, you get 16 eyeshadows and a mirror. That's really pretty good. So, but overall, I think the shadows perform pretty well. I mean, the blending down here is a little but overall, alright, so I used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 6 shadows in here. I used this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this silver shade here. So, I mean, I think I used quite a bit for this look. Gives you a pretty good idea of how the shadows perform. And I'm gonna go put on foundation and the rest of my face makeup, and I will be right back. Alright guys, so I just finished up the rest of my face, and I just wanted to tell you like my thoughts on this eyeshadow palette. So overall, I think this is a pretty decent eyeshadow palette, especially for the cost. It was $15 and you got 16 eyeshadows, which means you pay less than $1 per eyeshadow. But I did have a little bit of trouble blending the shadows together, like on the corner here. I don't know if you can see, it's like a little patchy. It's not like perfectly blended out like I really like to have my shadows. But overall, I think these were pretty pigmented and overall cost effective. Obviously for $15 for 16 shades, it's a really, really good deal. I would put this quality of shadow right like underneath ColourPop. Like, I wouldn't say it's just as good as ColourPop because ColourPop has a lot of great eyeshadow palettes. They're one of my favorite companies of eyeshadow palettes. But I mean, I definitely would say this is a decent eyeshadow palette. I think it depends on how much you're willing to spend, and it's really up to you whether you want to invest in something like this. It's not a huge investment, but you are getting quite a bit of shadow for the cost, and it's really colorful. So if you're looking for something colorful and you want to just dive in a little bit and play with color, maybe you're a beginner doing colorful looks, then I would recommend this, and I will leave the link down below. Alright, my little rays of sunshine, thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up and comment down below what you want to see next from me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Follow me on my YouTube journey and hit that little bell notification to be notified every time I upload so you don't miss a video. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.